This is how animals should be. Pooh Bear. I mean how people should be with one another. Pooh Bear, you want to go play with Dallas? You like to go play with Dallas? You want to go play with your friends? Where's Dallas and Bella? You want to go play? Okay, okay. Lulu gonna take you. He's going across the street to play with his buddies. They're over there in that corner. I don't know if you can see them, but between the two houses there's a fence. And Dallas is the little white dot and Bella is the black dot. They're in that corner. Now Lulu's gonna let Pooh Bear loose and he's gonna run right over there to the fence where they are. Go ahead, let him loose. Let him loose, Lou. See him running? He's gonna run right to the fence where his friends are waiting for him. See him back there? He's running back to Lulu, telling her to hurry up. See the fence back there? And she puts him across the fence. And they off playing. Now that's how friends should be. Human beings, to be exact. If pets can do it, animals, so can we.